Hi there. Today we're going to use a balance to help us solve equations. An equation is just another name for a number sentence. Your class math lesson today is called Balancing Equations. So let's find out what that means. Here we have a balance, and we can see that the balance is equal. There are the same number of counters on each side. There are 6 counters on this side, and there are 6 counters on this side. Can you think of a number sentence to match this picture? We can say that 2 blue counters plus 4 yellow counters equals 6 green counters. We have 2 blue counters plus 4 yellow counters, and that balances or equals 6 counters. Let's look at another balance. How many do we have on each side? We have 7 on the left side of the balance, and we have 5 blue plus 2 yellow on the right side of the balance. So we can say that 7 is the same as 5 plus 2. 7 equals 5 plus 2. Now you might notice that the 7 is on the left side. The total is on the left side of our number sentence this time. That's okay, as long as our two sides balance. Let's look at one more balance. Okay, we have 9 on the right side, and on the left side, we have 4 blue plus 5 yellow. 9 equals 4 plus 5. So let's see how this looks in your book in your classwork for today. I am looking at number 3 and number 4 from your class assignment, and we can do a couple of these together to help you get the hang of it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and draw a balance right under this number sentence, right under this equation. And I can see that on one side, on my left side, I have 7 plus some amount we don't really know yet equals 9. So we know that we have 9 on the right side, and we need to figure out how many more we need to add to 7 to balance or equal 9. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to hold 7 in my head, and I'm going to count on 8, 9. So I counted on until I got to 9, and I can see that I counted on 2 more. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 7 plus 2 balances 9. Let's try a subtraction example. I'm going to draw my balance. And now, wow, I start with 15. I'm going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this time we're not adding, we're taking away, we're subtracting. So I'm going to take away 8. And I'm going to do that by crossing them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I crossed out 8. And now, how many do I have on my balance? After I took 8 away, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. So the 7 on this side balances the 7 that I have left on this side. See if you can try the other problems for number 3, and then maybe you want to pause this. We can do a couple of the examples from number 4 together. So I'm going to draw the balance, put my triangle right where the equal sign is. And now we have something a little bit different because we have 3 plus, we don't know yet. This is our unknown number on the left side. And on the right side, we have 4 plus 1. So the first thing we have to do is solve 4 plus 1. I can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. And I know 4 plus 1 is 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And now I have to make this side balance 5. So I'll start by drawing 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I know I need to count on. So I'm going to use a different color to count on. I have 3, 4, 5. I counted on 2 more. 3 plus 2 balances 4 plus 1. See if you can solve the rest of these problems. It might be helpful to draw a balance on another piece of paper, so you could do that if you want to. I know there's not a lot of room on top of these examples to draw all your pictures and all your balances. So that's one thing you can do. If you want to draw the numbers, you could use a different piece of paper and draw your balance and draw your numbers. I hope this helps, and we'll do some more math soon.